How's it going, everyone? Hope you're all doing well. So what you see in front of us is Anker's very own Zolo Liberty wireless earbuds headphones. That's right, folks, the same company that brought us these incredible cables and portable battery banks have created these, some truly independent wireless earbuds that can be found retailing around $99 US. Compared to some of its competitors, should these be under consideration for you to pick up? Well, let's go ahead and find out. So the packaging of the whole unboxing include the charging station case that is magnetically held shut, our left and right earbuds, a nicely braided micro USB cable, and a ton of different fittings for our earbuds. Unfortunately, no USB-C port to charge. I don't know why they decided to name the micro USB cover Power, as if it was a power on or off button. Why not just charger or nothing at all, since it doesn't give out power? But back to the point, the charging case is built well, but a little bit too big for my liking. It has LED lights in front that indicate the battery life that is activated when shaking the case, ironically. The lid itself does have unnecessary movement, which hopefully doesn't break or crack over time, but this shouldn't be an issue because the rest of the case seems to be built very well. And Anker has said, the case allows the earbuds to have an additional 24 hours of audio playback time, but the earbuds themselves can only last up to 3.5 hours. And for my personal usage, I never came close to the 3-hour mark, but I have listened to music roughly around 2.5 hours and they seem to have held up to the battery life just fine. But even if I manage to drain the battery life completely off the earbuds, there's nothing to worry since they charge fairly quick in a matter of minutes. So now, the most important question, how well do these earbuds stay in place? Well, I can assure you, after my 4 to 5 days a week gym training sessions I do, these things are able to stay in place very well. I'm able to run at a high speed on a treadmill for a good 10 to 15 minutes without having any issues of them ever coming off. And thanks to its two-piece grippy design and the variety of different earbuds, finding the right fit combo shouldn't be an issue. And don't worry, if you sweat like mad, these are indeed water resistant. Already alone, that seems to be a great value. So music control, both the right and left earbuds allow you to pause and play in music or bring up your voice assist. Double tap for your voice assist, in my case, Siri. Single tap will pause or play, a single long press will go to the next track on the right ear, or a single long press on the left earbud will replay the track, or press it again to go to the previous track. And when receiving a phone call, single press to answer or single press to hang up. No volume controls, unfortunately. You'll need to use your phone for that. So the Zolo Liberty uses Bluetooth 4.2, and I was able to get a good range with it, around 20 feet through a couple of walls without experiencing any interruptions. But there has been a few times when the signal would just randomly cut out for literally half a second. This usually doesn't always occur, but whenever I listen to audio for over an hour, I would sometimes experience this. So these Zolo Liberty earbuds are able to receive and make phone calls off the earbuds, and the audio quality sounds like this. It does a good job on toning down the background noise, and having conversations over the phone, people haven't had any issues hearing my voice or understanding what I'm saying. Now, unfortunately, since the microphone is only on the right earbud, all your phone calls are always going to be mono, so that's unfortunate, but still, it does a good job. And when it comes to pairing up these earbuds for the first time, it's just like any other Bluetooth pairing device. It works for both iOS, Android, etc. And as soon as one is connected, they both automatically get paired. The earbuds will turn on and off automatically once removed from the case or placed back in. So overall, what do I think about these Zolo Liberty earbuds? With the $99 US price tag, makes it a good competitor. It has all the appropriate features and has a really good battery life. It has great audio for wireless Bluetooth earbuds, but when it comes to the mid-bass when listening to EDM genre music, it sounds terrible at high volumes, but all the other genres sound just fine. It's awesome that they include a nice quality charging cable. It's just a shame it isn't a USB-C port. And the seal of the silicone tips does a really great job keeping the outside noise out of your music. Almost as if it does have noise cancellation, but it doesn't. but keep this in mind if you're a runner, because you want to be safe and always be alerted of your surroundings. Now overall, I think these earbuds are set at a great competitive price and are definitely a good alternative over the Apple AirPods. Of course, being more affordable and all, but also they don't stand out as much as the AirPods do once placed in your ear. So, link to where to get these will be linked in the video description down below, so make sure to go ahead and check that out. Comment down below what you think about these earbuds. If you went ahead and picked these up, comment down below and let me know how you're liking it so far. But as always, hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like button and make sure to subscribe, because I got a comparison test between these AirPods and something else coming up in the future. So make sure you're subscribed for that. But until next time, see you guys on the next one. Peace.